welcome to Geo Driving School. My name is Habib, I'm a driving instructor. Today I'm going to teach you how to deal with the London Colony roundabout 4th exit. If you're coming from Hatfield and you're going St. Albans and you have to go through the London Colony roundabout 4th exit. So at the moment I'm on the A414 on the dual carriageway. Speed limit is 70. But you don't have to drive 70 in the test. You can go up to 55, 60, it's up to wherever you feel comfortable, but don't go more than 60. I'm driving the left lane because right lane is overtaking lane, but you are allowed to overtake slow moving vehicles. In the test, make sure that you're not overtaking anyone who is going more than 45 or 50 speed limit. You can stay behind them. But if there's a tractor trolley going on or any slow moving vehicle with the yellow beacons going on, then yes, you are allowed to overtake them. If you need to overtake anyone, make sure that you check the center mirror, you check the right mirror, you signal and wait for 3 clicks on the signal, and then you change the lane. Signal doesn't mean that you immediately change the lane, because it's not gives you automatic right to change the lane. No, you have to check the mirrors that anybody coming behind me on the right lane. If somebody's coming, they're coming fast, don't change the lane. So I'm going to change the lane now. So mirror, signal. I'm waiting 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to change the lane because it's a safe gap. Nobody's behind me, and I'm going to cancel the signal. Now yellow marking coming up, hatch marking is called. That means we need to be aware of our speed because we are approaching a hazard. So which hazard we are approaching? You can see the sign coming up, roundabout. So roundabout is a hazard for us. So we are coming in the right lane because we're turning right 4th exit. If you see the sign there as well, we just passed the sign. It says 4th exit on the right side, still on the right side, far right lane. So we are in the far right lane. Again, we don't need a signal here because it's controlled with the traffic lights. So I'm gonna maintain my safe gap from the car in front of us. While you're waiting, you can always be aware of your surroundings, so keep an eye on the mirrors. So the first exit going London, second going London Colony, third is going Hemel, fourth is going St. Albans, and fifth is, if you're not take a U-turn, you're going back to Hatfield, then the 5th exit. So we are going 4th exit, so mirror, and we move the car. And just follow the car in front of you. We're gonna stay in this far right lane, but if you notice there's another sign coming up, which is this lane here, this roundabout, this lane. So we're gonna stay in this lane. We're gonna continue in this lane. It's gonna automatically take us to the 4th exit. So now we don't need to change the lane, so no need a signal as well. So we're gonna stay in this lane. We'll continue. You can see the car in front of us is almost going in the middle of 2 lanes there. And it's amber light, not emergency. We can still go. Even the car behind is made as well. Is coming as well. But the car on the right has to go behind me now. Why? Because the people on the left, they have the priority. So he just realized and he went behind me now. So which is absolutely fine. I was keeping an eye on him anyway. If you are not aware of your surrounding, for example, if I was not aware of this car on my right side, and he is going to the same area where I'm going, and his road is narrow, is single lane, is not 2 lane anymore, then in the test it can be a serious fault for me. So make sure that you are aware of your surrounding whenever you entering into the roundabout, especially exiting from the roundabouts, whichever lane you are, make sure that you are aware for the left side, right side, just be aware. Otherwise it can be a serious fault in the test. A lot of people fail because of the observation, and they say, oh, we haven't made any serious fault, but end of the test we still fail, because they fail on observation. So it's very important to be aware of your surroundings. So always keep an eye on the mirrors. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe and thumbs up for me as well. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.